I'm going to start by making the shortcake biscuits. First, combine 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar with a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest. Rub that together between your fingers until the sugar smells like lemon and the sugar should be kind of damp, almost like damp sand. This step really adds to the flavor of the lemon in the shortcakes. Now, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, along with a tablespoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Then in a small measuring cup, combine 1 1/3 cups of heavy cream with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Pour that mixture into the dry ingredients and stir it all together until you get a soft, shaggy dough. If it seems a little too dry, go ahead and add another tablespoon or 2 of cream and then gently fold that in. Just don't overmix it. Now use a standard ice cream scoop, which is about a 1/4 cup size, and portion that dough out and place it on a baking sheet. Leave them about 2 inches apart so they have enough room to expand a bit while they bake. Brush the tops with a little extra cream, then sprinkle some coarse sugar over the top for a crunchy finish. Now bake them for 10 to 14 minutes or until the tops are golden brown and they're cooked all the way through. Now for the strawberry mixture, take about 1 1/2 pounds of fresh strawberries and remove the stems and slice them up. Toss them into a bowl, add about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of granulated sugar depending on how sweet you like it. You can also add a teaspoon or 2 of fresh lemon juice and that will brighten the flavor. Let the berries hang out at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. They'll get nice and syrupy as they macerate with the sugar. Now for the whipped cream, in a chilled bowl, add 1 cup of cold, heavy cream and 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar along with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat that all together with a hand mixer, or you can use a stand mixer, until you see soft peaks form. Keep that chilled until you're ready to use it. All right, now it's time to put it all together. Split one of the biscuits in half horizontally and spoon a big heaping spoonful of that syrupy strawberry all over the bottom. Add a generous dollop of whipped cream and pop the top half of the biscuit back on and serve it right away. And that's it, homemade strawberry shortcakes with tender cream biscuits scented with lemon. This is so simple and so good.